So now you can buy the Krsnatarian recipe book by clicking on the shop button, and you can buy it in India by clicking on this link. From here you can decide which format you want to buy, and then if you are buying it from outside India, then you can click the link here, and then it will take you to the outside India website, and you can purchase the copy here. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. As summer is on its way, I decided to share 2 completely delicious and loved by all summer drink recipes for all of you. Now this recipe is completely Ekadashi friendly, and I'll be sharing 2 of these recipes together. One is the lemonade, perfect lemonade recipe, and the other one is Pina colada. So without wasting any time, let's proceed towards the recipe. First, I have taken 4 to 5 big lemons. Now if you do not find big lemons, then you can easily get the smaller ones. Just increase the quantity of the lemons. You need to get around 1 cup of the lemon juice. So whatever means you can just remove the juice out from the lemons, discarding the seeds and the excess fiber from it. Now here I almost got around 3/4 cups of the lemon juice. So I'll need to extract more lemon juice so that it fills the another 1/4 cup of it. There you go. Now in a big mug, I'm going to pour the lemon juice. Now in this pot I have taken around 1 cup of water, and then I'll be adding around 1 cup of granulated sugar. If you're using thicker sugar, then make sure to use lesser quantity, because I've used granulated sugar. That's why I'm taking approximately 1 cup. Now keep the heat on medium and stir the sugar in a way that it mixes or dissolves completely into this water. Now once the water looks clear, then just have to add around 1/4 cup of more sugar. Dissolve it again and then turn off the stove. If you do not want to use a sugar, you can also heat the water up, and then you can directly add unpasteurized honey. That will also work. The main purpose is that the sweetener, whichever kind you use, should be dissolved, and it should be a clear sweetener. So now here I mix the sugar syrup with the lemon juice, and then I'm going to add around 2 cups of ice cold water to this jar. Now it's up to you if you want to put ice or you want to add ice cold water, and depending on the kind of sweetness you want, you can add the water as per that. So I kept it in the fridge for around 1 hour, and now I'm pouring it in. That's how our perfect lemonade looks like. Just for the looks, I'm going to add some lemon slices. This also enhances the flavor of the lemonade. And decorate the slice on top. And here is our lemonade ready. So now for the pina colada, you need pineapple juice. As I didn't want it to use pineapple juice with added sugar to it, so I just decided to use around 2 cups of pineapple and then juiced it. Now if you are using sweet pineapple juice from outside which already has sugar, then you have to adjust the sugar as per that. Here I am just using straight nicely ripened pineapple, which gave me around 1 cup of the pineapple juice. Now that pineapple juice I added in this blender. Now I'm going to add another 2 cups of pineapple chunks. And then in this I'm going to add around 3/4 cups of coconut cream. Now it is up to you the kind of intensity of sweetness you need for the pina colada. So either you can add half cup of the coconut cream or you can add 3/4 cups. This will give you a good quantity of pina colada. So I'm just going to blend it, and after blending it a little bit, I'm going to add around half cup of ice cubes. Now after adding the ice cubes, I'm going to blend it again. You just have to blend it for 30 seconds, not more. Now here I added around 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you are using already sweetened pineapple juice which has sugar, then you do not need to add sugar to it. You can use cane sugar or you can use like golden sugar. Make sure to not use any darker color sugar, otherwise it will ruin the color of the pina colada. So here the pina colada is ready. I'm going to add some pineapple chunks in it and then decorate with a slice of pineapple. So here our fresh pina colada is ready. I was able to make around 3 cups of this pina colada from the quantity I used. So thank you so much for watching this summer drinks recipe video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please do so. I have also published a new cookbook which are all vegan vegetarian recipes. Do check the link in the description and click on the buy button and buy the kind of version you want of the book. Hope to see you back again. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.